In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix sound problems on your Android TV. For the first step, go here on the home button and then go all the way up until you get to the bar here and then go to the right and in the settings. You can also go here on the menu button, then go to the right and then you can also go to the settings. So, and here we go in the settings on device preferences. We click on this and then we can scroll all the way down to like sound here. So click on sound here and now system sound. Here we can easily turn this on or we can turn this off, so make sure that you turn it on here. And then we have like the speaker, and this is the most important setting here. Click on this and here we have like the TV speaker or external audio system. So and here you can try if you have like external speaker or something connected to your TV, then you have to select this one. If you have only your TV speaker, then try to turn on the TV speaker here. So and then we have like the down mix mode. You can do this on stereo or surround, so try this, and sometimes the other mode fix some problems. So and then here we have Dolby audio processing, and here I recommend that you turn this on and do the mode on smart. So and what we also can do, if nothing helps, you can also set this to reset this to default. Click on yes here and then your sound settings are reset to default. Sometimes this helps, and then you get to this menu here. So what you also can do is go on the top here on the device preferences here again and look on about. So click on this and here we have like the system update, and here I recommend to do a system update. So sometimes this also really helps. It is checking here now for updates, and if your system is not up to date, then you can easily do a system update here. And if nothing helps from this, then I recommend to do a factory reset. So sometimes this also helps. And after that your sound problem should be fixed. So what you also can do is try that you have here activated the sound. So this is also really important, that you here have sound and that you not muted the sound. So here, this is the mute button, so make sure that you don't mute the sound. And this is all you can do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.